and today we are doing a photo shoot. I actually just got home from the photo shoot and it was super cool. We took some pictures of a green tulle gown that I recently completed, full of faux flowers and leaves. It was over at a park where the trees in the park wanted to become part of my dress, so that's always the super glamorous, fun extra part, you know, dealing with the foliage in the real world along with the foliage on your dress. Hey, we're here ready for a photo shoot. I got my purple hair. Rob was so kind as to film me getting ready before we came over here. However, I had the sound turned off on my video because just before that I was filming my sewing and I didn't have the sound on, so I'm so coordinated. So I got some clips of getting ready, they just don't have any sound. That's my dress back there. And water, which is purple like my hair. There's a theme of being purple today, which is super cool. Photo shoots are always so fun because you get to like bring the garment to life. You spend all this time like making it and making it, you know, become the dress that you want it to be or the costume or whatever. And then you put it on and like you transform into this character or this better version of yourself in some way. And I just really think it's so cool. I got to work with a new photographer, and her name is Teresa. She's from Looking Glass Photography, and I will put her information down below. So if you happen to be out in West Texas, she's really cool and like awesome person to work with. So go find her. The dress that I wore to the shoot is one I recently completed. It is a green tulle gown. It's covered in faux flowers, pink, purple, orange, green leaves, and little faux pearl beads setting each one onto the dress. And I really like this dress. It was actually so nice to wear since it's kind of warm outside as it is still summer and we're in Texas, where it's hot. So it's a pretty breezy dress. Honestly, the hottest thing was the wig. The dress itself was quite nice. So do recommend for summertime. We did shoot outdoors at a park, so there's a little bit of a challenge there sometimes, especially with tulle, because the trees and everything wants to become a part of the dress. You know, I thought maybe I could use a few extra decorations beyond what I'd put on there. But overall, I love shooting outside because I'm just like kind of a nature fairy person at heart anyway.
So what am I supposed to do?
Oh, just to hit record. Okay, so photo shoot done. Excellent. Success. Fun times. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit behind the scenes. If you want to see more of what I do, don't forget to subscribe and all that stuff. You can go to my website. You can find me on social media. Come say hi. And I'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye. Here's our post-photo shoot ice cream bar. We've got all kinds of stuff. None of it is sponsored. Birthday cake ice cream. It's not even my birthday. Can you believe it? I still get birthday cake ice cream. And all the mix-ins. It is my unbirthday. Is it your unbirthday too?